So my reaction to Amber Heard and Johnny Depp's divorce. So as we heard in this clip, they had a short marriage, about 1 year. Resolving the divorce proceedings didn't seem like was very hard. What the difficult part was, she filed for a restraining order against him. She alleged abuse against him. He sued her for defamation. She countersued him back. And then it created this gigantic legal firestorm that ended up in probably the most famous trial of 2022. In that trial, they're both alleging that the other person was the aggressor. And that ended up in a very publicized trial and verdict that essentially exonerated Johnny Depp, but also gave Amber Heard a little bit of something from her cross-complaint as well. This is a case where the divorce was easy. It was the fallout from the divorce that caused that legal firestorm. And when you're suing someone for defamation, when you're a public person, when you're a celebrity, you're deemed what could be called a public figure. And the reason why that's important is if you're suing somebody for defamation and you're a public figure, you have to prove that the other person defamed you with what's called actual malice. Actual malice means that they intentionally said false things about you with the intent to harm your image or your persona, and that you have actually sustained damages from that. It's a hard thing to prove. It's a very, very high bar. So the fact that in this case it appears that Johnny Depp, was successful, or at least speaks to the level of how much the jury believed him over Amber Heard.